Hey, welcome back. Today is January 19th, Tuesday, and on this post I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly before diving into Celer network, CELRUSDT, and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time I've spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will try my best to get to them as soon as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do like to take a look into Bitcoin dominance, as I've already done a recap on Bitcoin dominance on my earlier post today. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I said about Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action and how they could potentially affect the altcoin markets, you guys can take a look in my earlier post today. But currently, I do see Bitcoin dominance continue trending downwards as it's breaking some of these key supports here, including the 3-day 21 MA. Now it's at the 3-day 200 MA. Measure target here is going to be about 63.4, 63.5% range. If Bitcoin dominance continues trending downwards, I would expect better trading opportunities for altcoins as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards. Now, Bitcoin price action here, I don't see it doing too much right now. It's still running within the symmetrical triangle pattern. So in my opinion, that's a very ideal scenario for altcoins, as we have already seen for the past couple of days, quite a bit of good altcoin price action. If Bitcoin dominance trends downwards and Bitcoin price action stays consolidated in a very tight range, that's a very ideal scenario. However, if Bitcoin price action actually dumps, that could still send shockwaves to altcoin markets. Now, let's take a look into CELRUSDT, Celer network here, and see what exactly has gone on since the last time I have spoken. Since the last time I've spoken, I did mention that there was a falling wedge pattern that was forming, and the breakout, the measure target here, if it actually breaks out of this point right here, the measure target would be roughly about 0.0, that's 0.0, 0.8 of a cent, okay, 0.8 of a cent here. According to this measure target, the price action has reached that target. So let's see what the price action could be doing right now. So let's go ahead and discard this falling wedge pattern and see what exactly the bigger pattern here is. I think it could actually be a more extensive cup and handle pattern right here, like I have seen with quite a bit of these altcoins that were just so beaten up for the past couple of months. So this is what I'm seeing on CELRUSDT right here. And let me take I would say the neckline over here. This is on the daily time frame. Let's see on the 3-day time frame and see if I can get so even on the 3-day time frame, we have about 2 more days until close, and we have not had any 3-day candle closes on the 3-day time frame. Do we have any daily candle closes? Not even. So I would say this could still be the breakout of this cup and handle pattern with quite a bit of volume. So let's get a measure breakout here. The neckline here would be exactly this fib level at about 0.8 of a cent, about. Straighten up this trend line. This would give a measure target of about 1.25 cents. Okay, that's measure target only. May or may not be reached. Could also be overreached. I would strategize accordingly. It does look like it has broken out of this pattern already because we have not had any daily candle closes. And now I believe we already do have a daily candle close. Not a very solid one, but that's still a pattern breaker, right? Because since this pattern that has formed in about September, no daily candle closes above this neckline of about 0.8 of a cent. Okay, so getting a daily candle close is still significant to me, even though the last daily candle close is not exactly a solid close. So let's see what this candle close, this today's candle actually does. Okay, um, I would rather be safe, but risk could be taken here as well with risk management. So it just depends on what I would like to do if I was actually in the position. So these are my this is my very short analysis of what could be going on Celer network. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario here, if the daily candle stays closed above this 0.8 of a cent, also the 0.23 fib level right here, then I'll be a lot more inclined to believe that the price action is going to continue upwards. Since we have already gotten a daily candle close here, not a very solid close, but slight close, I would still say it has flipped this resistance into support. So if we can actually keep price action, daily candle closes above this support, then I would say more upward price action is likely. Bearish case scenario here, if price action here on the daily time frame starts breaking back below this 0.8 cents of a level and starts closing on the daily time frame below this level, I would say that's flipping this support back into resistance, and this may not be the breakout that we are looking for. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for Celer Network. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.